I turned my mattress into a bed of roses, black, cherry red, pink, and gold. By day, I hand-wash the towels, recall the stillborn after the gassing. Who would have thought that there were weapons which turn every part of your body against you, every bruise, cough, or a nosebleed seeming like the final betrayal? Weapons that turn you into a despised being in your own village, no one daring to visit you, thinking you are contagious. Weapons that kill you years after being exposed, leaving you unable to blame anyone for your death.